Hey guys, wanna make reels on Instagram up to 20 minutes using just your mobile device? Let me show you how easy it is. So follow along this simple step-by-step tutorial. Now let's begin. So first off, start by opening Instagram on your mobile device and now click on the plus icon at the bottom center. Now make sure that the reel option is selected at the bottom. Just click on the camera right here and then go to the length option at the left side of the screen. Now make sure that the 20 minutes option is selected just like that. And now you can record videos or upload ones up to 20 minutes. So to upload the video, just open the gallery and then select the videos that you want to use for the reel. Now hit next at the bottom right. You can skip this step. Now hit next again, and you can freely share this 20-minute long reel just by clicking the share option at the bottom right. So now that's pretty much it. And if you're missing this 20 minutes option, you can exit Instagram and try to update Instagram through the App Store or Google Play Store. So to do this, open App Store or Google Play Store, open the search tab, enter Instagram right here in the search field, hit search at the bottom right and look for that update option if you have it. Now, if you do not have it, you can try to reinstall Instagram, and if this still doesn't help, this option and feature may not be just available in your country region. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more tips.